Tim, we're here with TLC Pressure Washing, and this was green, you know, just a light color green. Looked beautiful for Christmas, but that's neither here nor there. But it's now back to kind of a tan. But we did this house, and she got in touch with the neighbor, so we did the neighbor's house. The neighbor's house, that side was black. It was mold that was so bad that it's turned black. And we had to actually hit that twice to get it to come up, but yeah, it looks 100% better. Yeah, it looks like a new house. But this one we've done about every 2 or 3 years. So this side was bad. The rest of it was getting there, but this was really bad. So anyway, that's what we're doing today. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing. Have a fantastic, blessed weekend. It's Friday.